Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to compress images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click File, then click Open, and choose the image you want to compress. Once the image is open, go to the Image section in the top toolbar and click Resize. Select Pixels and make sure the Maintain Aspect Ratio option is checked. This keeps the image from becoming stretched or distorted. Now reduce the width value. For example, if the image is 3000 pixels wide, you can reduce it to 1500 pixels. The height will change automatically. Click OK to apply the new size. This will reduce the image dimensions and usually make the file size smaller. Next, click File and choose Save As. Select JPEG as the file format because JPEG files are usually smaller than PNG files. Save the image with a new name so you can compare it with the original image. After saving, check the new file size in File Explorer. You should see that the compressed image takes up less storage space. That's it. This is the easiest way to compress images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.